Radiator is a little rusty like the inside of the engine was. This is the radiator from my 1959 TR3. The whole engine was full of rust and probably stop leak. And so I want to clean that out before I hook it up to my brand new rebuilt engine. I flushed it with water for 10 minutes and came out really rusty for quite a while. Now it's coming out clear, so I measured how much water it takes to fill the radiator, and I'm going to mix up a CLR solution and pour that in, let it sit for a few minutes and see what comes out. Okay, this was a very very weak concentration, so see what comes out. Well, that wasn't very impressive. Okay, round two, a little more stronger concentration. Oh, again, not that much rust coming out. It's my homemade radiator pressure tester. I just have the compressed air coming in with a gauge plugged on both ends. I put this copper patch on where the drain valve was leaking, and it seems to be holding. I put some hot soapy water on it, and it didn't bubble at all. It does leak around my hose clamps. I didn't tighten it down real hard, but it doesn't seem to be leaking here.